guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my top 4 favorite rompers, and I'm going to be telling you guys where I purchased them. They're very affordable, and what I like the most about rompers is, especially like now that it's summertime and you just want like a quick outfit, you don't have to match or anything. A romper is like the quickest, easiest outfit. And most rompers, they don't have any sleeves, so they're sleeveless. You get to tan in the sun, which is great. And they just look really summerish, right? And you could dress them up, put on a hat or something, dress them down, wear them with some flip-flops, and it just works. I just love rompers. So I'm going to show you guys my top 4 favorite rompers. This one is my first favorite one. I believe I bought this from Rainbow. I think majority of my rompers are from Rainbow except for one, and you'll see. So this is the first one. I love this one because it has like, you know, it's like a top over, you know, it's like really cute. I like that it has the elastic waist. That way it gives you a waistline. And this is the back. It's not too low, it's really nice. This is my favorite one. This is one of my favorite ones. It's long, it's a long one. You could put heels on. Yes. You could put heels on, dress it up. You could wear flip-flops, you could wear sandals with them. And it's just a cute outfit. You could put on a hat. You could put on a hat, make it look really summery. And yeah. This is my first romper. I'm gonna show you guys my second favorite romper. Okay guys, so this is my second favorite. My head cut off, but it's okay. So this is my second favorite. I like the material of this one. You'll definitely get a lot of breeze from this one. The underneath is like, you can't really see, but the underneath, well, yes, you can. The underneath is like a little short romper, and the bottom piece, this is see-through. The upper part is joined to this little romper underneath, and the bottom is see-through. This one you could definitely dress it up because of the material. The material look like it could be, you know, kind of formal if you like add some statement necklaces or something to it, you know, like something like this. Or you could, you know, add like a dangling fancy earrings, and you could definitely dress this up. You could pair it with some sparkly shoes and dress it up. This romper, this was also another one that I got from Rainbow. I had this one for a while. Y'all probably saw this one in one of my past hair videos from like Puerto Rico, which was like 2 or 3 years ago. I wore this one, and I wore it with some red earrings. The first time I wore these with these beautiful red earrings. They were so pretty. Yeah, so this one, I wore them with these earrings, and I wore like some sandals, and it was really cute outfit. Let me see if I can back up a little bit so you could see. This is the side, and it almost looked like a dress because of how flowy it is. This is the back, that's the side, and it's long. I have on flip-flops for all of them because this is just me trying them on for you guys to see. In case you guys never purchase rompers because you're kind of skeptical about rompers and how they fit and all of that, they actually fit pretty good because, yeah, they fit good, and they hide the gut a little bit. You know, you can't really see the gut. So yeah, this is my second favorite. Okay guys, so y'all might have seen this one in a lot of my pictures while on vacation. This is my third favorite. I like the little cutout. I like this. I like this part of it. It's really pretty. I like the flowers. I like the material. You get a lot of breeze. It's like a maxi dress. You get a lot of breeze in this. You could pull it up if you want. You know, if you want it to fit all the way up. But I kind of like it baggy like that. So it kind of looks like a dress. And this is the back. And that's the side. I don't know, I just love rompers. Like, that's a quick outfit. You could pair this with our sandals. This one is kind of casual. You could dress it up a little bit, but not too much. You could probably throw on some, like a jean jacket. You could put on like a jacket and try to make it look a little fancier, but this one is like, the material is more like casual. You could go dinner with it, but like a casual dinner. It's not no formal, nothing. It's, you know, it's a casual look, which is nice. And this one is also a long one, which is great because I like long stuff. And this is it for this one. This is my third favorite. Okay, I'm about to show you guys my final favorite romper. Okay guys, so this is the last romper. This one is really cute. This one is fairly new. It is almost like the first one, which I liked. It's like a two-top, which is great. But if you have like a, you know, you like to eat, and when you eat, your stomach expands, and you like to, you know, keep this a little tucked away. It has the little top on the top. It's really cute. This is the side. This is the back. And it's not ratchet at all. It's really nice. I like the print of it. It's like a tropical green and white with some peach flowers. It's really nice. This is the fourth and final romper. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite romper was. And then I'll probably tell you guys down in the comments which was my favorite. Well, y'all know all of them is my favorite, but I actually have one that I really like. Let me see if you guys can guess which one. Okay, so let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this try on haul video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and I'll be sure to do some more of these videos. I have a lot of new clothing that I purchased, and if you guys want to see a particular type of clothing try on, let me know down in the comments down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Whew. Try on hauls are a lot of work. Bye.